Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I am going to create a beautiful centerpiece. So I'm going to be using those three vases that you see. The two small ones I got from the Dollar Tree. The larger one is from my discount store. I'm going to be using three mirrors. My mirrors I got from my craft store. These are really nice mirrors. They're beveled edge, as you can see, with the feet under the bottom, and they are about 5 inches square. So now to begin creating the base, I'm going to start with two pieces of cardboard. Now guys, you can use foam board, or you can use cardboard or shipping package that you've cut down. I don't have any of that stuff on hand today. If you had foam board, you wouldn't have to do all this. You would just line up your three mirrors on top of your foam board, trace out the shape, and then cut it out. And so what I'm going to do is hot glue the extra section that I have together, so now that my base could be long enough for my three mirrors. Also, I'm going to be using some duct tape just to give it a little bit of security, and I'm just going to wrap that around the area where I glued the two pieces together. So now that that's done, I'm going to be using this silver contact paper. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just going to cover the front and the back side of this base. Now I'm going to use this trim that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is the diamond wrap. I'm going to use that around the perimeter of our base. I'm going to neaten those edges and make it look nice and neat. Okay, so now that that's finished, I'm going to hot glue the mirrors onto the base. I'm just going to put the hot glue on the foam pads of the mirror. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, is decorate the edge of the mirror. I want to give it a festive look, and I'm going to start out with this sugared greenery. This is just glitter on top of it. I'm just going to lay a couple of pieces out on front just to give it a festive look, and after that I'm going to hot glue some berries on top of that. So guys, look how nice that looks. That looks so festive. And honestly, what I love about this base is that you can use it for anything. You can use it, of course, for the holidays, which is what we're doing today. And you can add any kind of vase on top of it or any kind of candle that you wanted. So if you wanted to use this mirrored base after the holidays are done, all you have to do is just remove all of the greenery and the berries. Okay, so now I'm going to take some iridescent snowflakes, and I got these from Amazon. I'm going to use 2 small ones and 2 large ones, and I'm going to place the larger snowflake onto the larger vase. I'm going to hot glue all of them into place. I'm going to be using some Epsom salt, and as you can see, the Epsom salt I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to pour it inside each one of the vases just to give it a nice snowy effect. And I'm going to place all of our vases on top of the mirrors, and it looks so nice, guys. This is so festive looking. I'm going to put some electronic candles inside, and I got my electronic candles from, I believe, QVC. But they do sell these on Amazon. I think a little bit cheaper on Amazon as well. But guys, look how nice this looks. So yeah, guys, so I'm loving the way this came out. This looks really, really beautiful. Let me know what you think, guys. I do appreciate it. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.